This is how I pack for a long distance, long-term ADV touring motorcycle adventure. Zdravo i dobrodošli, bon dia, bem-vindos, servus, willkommen, buenos dias, bienvenidos, greetings riders, beautiful Sierra Nevada mountains. It's pretty damn cold outside today, but you see the snow and the beautiful creek. We found this little picnic table. We are on our scouting trip for the Sierra Nevada tour. If you want to get to know Sierra Nevadas, you can go on our website and take a look at the details of the private tour that we have built just for this beautiful part of the world. Myself and my business partner, Pongshi, the landscape photographer who really knows this area exceptionally well, and we wanted to share it with you. So it's a private motorcycling and photography trip, and you'll really get to know this place intimately. You can check out some of the information on our website, and we found this perfect iteration of a mountain picnic table, and I figured why not disassemble everything from my motorcycle and show you how I pack for basically indefinite motorcycle touring adventures. What I mean by that is that with how I have this motorcycle pack right now, I can be on the road indefinitely in any region, in any weather, and for the amount of time that I desire to be on the road, to film, to edit, and to work from the road, and to have some fun as well. So on here is everything you need to know on how to pack for a long-term motorcycle adventure. Let's start from my person, what I carry on me pretty much at all times when I'm on the motorcycle. You know, here at Pegasus Motorcycle Tours and Consulting YouTube channel, we've been striving over the years to bring you independent content that's really also focused on really beautiful locations, not just amazing bikes and gear. In order to continue to do that, YouTube has made it a little challenging for us independent journalists in this regard. We can't no longer even choose what kind of ads are being run on our channel or how long or if you can skip them or not. And in order to stay independent, I'd like to invite you to consider joining as a member of this channel. This way you get access to exclusive content that others simply don't. And you can go on our website to see some of this exclusive content, like the Used Motorcycle Buyer's Guide, a really extensive guide on how to go about purchasing and evaluating a used motorcycle on the market, as well as our packing and gear guide. It's a very comprehensive, conclusive guide on how to pack for long-term, long-distance ADV touring, and it's been produced with great care through years of really intense experience. So experience is the best teacher in this regard. So in this guide you get everything from how to pack, what to pack, your mess kit, your kitchen kit, your toiletries kit, toilet etiquette even in the outback, aside from the extra tools and the extra parts that you should carry and how to carry it. Not only what to carry, but how to pack it on the motorcycle. How to basically live off the bike indefinitely and enjoy your adventure in a safe manner. Everything you need to know that comes from years of experience. So please consider joining as a member. This way you're continuing to support the growth of this channel in an independent way. Thank you very much for your support.